A for apple. B for bear. C for cat. D for dinosaur. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for night owl. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for quail. R for raccoon. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for worm. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Please like, comment, share, and have fun with kids, and subscribe. Surely, Kids Fun and Learn always with you.